Hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to fix custom code not working in Webflow. So to fix the custom code not working in Webflow, you should troubleshoot common issues such as checking your code syntax and simply ensuring proper placement within the header or the body tags, verifying class or ID names, and publishing your site to see the changes. So the common troubleshooting steps that you need is to publish your site. Whenever you add, like here, let me just add, for example, an element like custom code or something like that, a custom element or anything from here, custom code, for example. Once you put it here, which is the code embed, so once you add it, you'll need to try to publish the site. If the publish goes through without any issues, that means that your code is good. There is nothing wrong with the coding, but there is something not really connecting between your code and basically the website that you have, or basically the elements of the website that you have. So check for code errors in case um, the publish wasn't going through. Then you should check and see the code errors. So you can check the syntax, ensure your code is syntactically correct. Some minor errors like using capital letters and CSS rules where they are invalid can cause the code not to work. And also make sure that you are using the correct elements, or basically the correct ID of each of these elements. For example, I would like to add a code that make this thing here move around or whatever it is. So for me to make it move around and to call it by its name, I would need to give it a name. So the code can actually interact with this specifically. So what you need to do, I will go here to settings and go here to the settings, which is the general setting of these elements, and give it an ID. And ID that you will be writing here is the same ID that you will be calling it in the code. So there will be certain amount of connection. Once this you tried it and still didn't fix it, make sure to publish your code in the custom Webflow forum. You can share it there and talk about your issue, and eventually a support team or developer will simply answer you and give you exactly what to fix and what's wrong about your code and how basically you can make it work. And yeah, that was it. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next upcoming video.